Hello, thankful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure that like and subscribe button if you're not subscribed. So anyways, today's video is going to be a quick and easy, fun DIY fall decor / like a Thanksgiving centerpiece for y'all. So what you're going to need is some pumpkin lights and some leaf vines. Just some pumpkin lights and leaf vines. I'm just going to kind of put them in the, also you're going to need a pumpkin dish if you weren't sure. Some sort of dish to put them in. And then you're going to put a candle in the center, a small candle. But if you light the candle, just make sure you're careful. And then I'm going to turn on the lights just to show you what it looks like. I'm going to take off the candle. Just imagine the candle lit, and that's kind of how it would look like. But just kind of watch it and make sure you're safe with the candles and stuff. And this will just make a really fun and cute centerpiece for Thanksgiving. So, and for fall decor. And then you can also make your house smell good, like if you're hosting Thanksgiving or something. You could do that. Light the candle, make your house smell really good. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And kind of hide the batteries if you want under like the candle or something. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're trying to subscribe, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day.